What's up, print fam? Welcome back to the print shop. Today I wanted to go over the training session that we had, or I had, at Onyx today. It was a lot of fun getting to see the people that work there, see their demo room, and just go over some of the software because I'm not super familiar with it. I wanted to go to the training because I wanted to learn more about the software because my new roll-to-roll printer will require Onyx. And right now I use Flexi for everything except for the flatbed, but I don't really Onyx really just takes my PDF that I make in Illustrator and puts it on the printer, but I don't use really any of the features. So it was nice to learn about some of the features. So this morning, it started out, we talked about quick sets, which are basically the ability to have a recipe that you can drop in that will do certain tasks. So you can have a quick set for banners that will automatically add registration marks. You can have a quick set for media where you can create a color profile, all that fun stuff. Second, we went over color profiles. So we saw how to make them. We saw how to take a Pantone color or a lab color and print that color as well as a bunch of similar colors. So you could compare the called out color to the printed samples. That way you could figure out, okay, it really looks closer to this one. So every time you see Pantone 33322, then actually print these CMYK values because it's actually a better physical representation. So we learned how to do that. We went over the cut workflow, which is what I wanted to know the most. And sadly, I'm used to making all my cutting, my contour cutting for the most part in Flexi. And it's super simple. They have some shortcuts and automations built in to do it. Onyx does not have that. So I'm gonna be looking for some plugins for Illustrator to try to make my life easier, but I can also take it from Flexi and export it. And from what I understand, there's also a button that you can send it from Flexi directly to Onyx. So that might be kind of cool. I was told to check out Astute plugins. So we're going to take a look at that. But if you have questions specifically about Onyx, Onyx is right in my area. I talked to the president and CEO, and he's happy to get me some information that I can pass on to you guys. So if you have any specific questions or workflows or processes or feature requests or things like that, let me know and I can make some videos and I can get in contact directly with Onyx because they are so close to me. That's kind of one of the cool things about them being here in Utah is I can potentially help you be a liaison to the software. With me switching my new roll printer to something that's going to use Onyx, then I'm going to have some more training videos on it. So again, if you have questions about it, let me know. Overall though, it was a great experience. If you have one of these open houses available to you, Grimco sponsored it, which was awesome. They gave us lunch, and then we also got a coupon at the end that would save us $100 when we ordered some stuff from Grimco. So highly recommend going. It was good to learn, good to meet some people, get some more contacts, hopefully be able to use the software better. Thanks for watching, Perfam, and we'll see you in the next one. Perfam, I forgot to tell you. One of the cool things that I saw was the Onyx sensor. So I actually bought the Onyx sensor when it was like a Kickstarter or Indiegogo or something, but Onyx is actually working with them to add the Onyx sensor to their software. So that way you can use it as a color profiler. You can take it on site. They've got an app for your phone so that it's like, oh, hey, we have these trucks that have this specific blue, and you can put it on there. It'll pull a lab value that you can then use that back at your shop. You can also use it when you print stuff to check with the photo spectrometer, I think is how you pronounce it, to see if it is accurate in printing. So that some cool stuff is coming. I will try to learn more and make some videos on it. But again, if you have questions, let me know. Thanks, Perfam.